Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your Depop account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like. Also, we have in the top right corner, we have the sell now. We have the, of course, messages, likes, and in the top right corner, your profile, selling hub, purchases, settings, and the logout option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your Depop account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to delete your account, you just need to go to the top right corner, and as you can see, when you go to settings, here at the PC, you have only the options to change things about you, change your country, and save your changes. But we don't have the delete option. What you need to do is go and, of course, install the application and make sure that all sales are completed or refunded on your profile. Then go to for iOS users, go to profile, then settings, then delete your account in the app. And for Android and web users, you have to go and email close.depop.com from the email associated with your account. Include your name and username and reason for deleting your account. Once you submit your request, it may take up to 7 days to process. You'll receive a confirmation email once your account is deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.